Hello friends, welcome back to the Ankush Learning channel. In this video, we are going to discuss few lines about refrigerator. So let's start. A refrigerator is one of our most valuable household appliances. It is a machine used for keeping things cold. It is sometimes called a fridge or an ice box. It is normally maintained at 4-5 degrees Celsius for household use. People put food and drinks in it to keep those items cold or good, unspoiled for a longer time. A refrigerator has a heat pump which takes heat away from the air inside the fridge. The heat pump is usually driven by an electric motor. The cabinet and door are made up of aluminum or steel sheet metal that is sometimes pre-painted. Most modern refrigerators are available in a variety of colors, although most are white. When something is frozen, bacteria growth stops entirely. Wastage of food can be prevented by the usage of refrigerators. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.